Good afternoon, everybody. It's 1:22 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, date 8/6 of 2018. I have the S&P 500. Everybody already knows that I called these market tops. I want everybody to know that the S&P 500, and you can take a look right here, 7 trading days, the S&P lost 200 points. We hit on the low the other day with the big selling that happened. We hit it down here at 28.20. Our highs that we had put up here were right around 30.30, 30.30. That's a 200-point big move down. Lots of volatility has come into the market. We kept all of our traders worldwide updated. We said that there was going to be a big correction. Markets were overbought. There's a lot of tension around the world, and there's a great reason for the people that have been in the market is to sell the market and take their profits. So we had a lot of panic selling yesterday. S&P, we called it right up there, and what we're saying now is we're going to go through a bottom, but when you have a 200-point down move in the S&P and you take from the low to the highs now, you have to take the total move off of the low where it closed, and then you have to deduct that math by 200 points. So it's going to be 200 points, deduct the move that we had. Let's say there's a 60 move off of the bottom in the S&P. So it's still going to tell us that there's still 140 points on top of this S&P. For these rallies, volatility works both ways. The volatility will only keep increasing. Parts of August, though, do have periods where you have a lot lower volume and whatnot. So there's a lot of movements that will continue to happen, and we are not in that bull trend when you lose 200 points. We called that movement. We updated everyone before it happened, and we're letting you know now that the upside volatility is very tradable, and you can make a lot of money off of these big corrections. You make all the money when they're going down. You can make this good money going up. And so a lot of stocks rebounded today in the S&P 500 leadership stocks. You can see the text up here. It's put right here for you. Lost 200 points in 7 days. You would have made a fortune here with us because we had the put options, we had the UVXY, we had a lot of different bear, ETF bear positions for the downside move and whatnot. And go ahead and take the free 5-day trial. So one of the things that we are going to cover is the stocks that are going to set up. How to make money in options trading, and how do you do that? We're going to show you how, and we're going to show it to you live, and we hope that you come here. If you have any questions, simply email us. If there's a way that we can help you, we'll be happy to help you with the volatility in the markets. We're here for that. Our compassion goes out to you folks that get caught up when these things happen, and this volatility, and how algorithms and how the machines are in control of the markets versus people, and just so many things that you should learn about. And we're happy to tell you all of these things that go behind the scene. And, you know, once again, the retail option traders, they really get screwed. Hedge fund managers have been blowing up right and left. You had over a 200-point downside move. All the analysis is there, but let's not forget, it's all about you. And how are you going to react? Take responsibility. Get in the free 5-day trial. We're here to help you. Tell us what you're holding and whatnot, and we'll take a look at it together and make sure that you don't get killed in these markets when I call a correction. I haven't been wrong yet. This was a small rising wedge right up here, and a 200-point drop in 7 days. Think about it. All the money that you could have made in the bear ETFs